Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. Once again.
Ma'am, today in this class, what we will do?
Yes.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. In this class, we will do or SST.
What?
Ma'am, in this class, we will do SST or.
No. We will do English creative writing.
Ma'am, in this class, we will do Ma'am, we continued the question answer of SST or do creative writing?
No, beta. We will do creative writing. Everybody get ready with your creative writing copies. All of you will get your. Now nobody will ask me what we'll do or not. This is your creative writing period. I have told we are doing creative writing.
Ma'am, last time we had done a write a letter to Santa Claus asking for special toys at Christmas time. Also ask about his life, the problems of living amid all that snow and ice.
Okay, so this you must have done with Rashmi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now today let's do something else. Let's do some dialogue writing. Let's try some dialogue writing. Can we?
Ma'am, can we tell about the paranormal?
What, Bhavya? What are you saying?
I am saying, can we tell our paranormal activities as a story? We want to just
No, please, no. This is your creative writing period. You don't have to tell anything. You have to write. Now today, okay. What we are going to do is we are going to write an essay today. This is our essay writing. We will do essay writing in today's class. What?
And what is essay?
Essay. Now, what is essay? Okay, you have never written an essay before?
Ma'am, does essay means paragraph?
No, ma'am. It is called paragraph writing.
Yes, and it is longer than a paragraph. It is longer than a paragraph. What you do in essay writing is you write, say suppose I tell you, okay, today I'm going to give you a very easy topic on essay writing. So let's say your topic today is, okay, just a minute children, just a minute. Yes. So what we do in essay writing is we write any topic, we write it in a very elaborate manner. We have to explain, we have to, yes. What? Is anybody saying anything in between?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What we do in an essay is there are different paragraphs that we write an essay in. We give introduction, we give body of the essay, and we give conclusion. An essay can be written in around 250 to 300 words. It should be around how many words? 250 to
250.
Yes, 250 to 300 words.
And we write 250.
Okay, you will write 250. You have thought that you will write 250?
No, ma'am.
Yes, then?
Can we write 230 words? 230.
230, why? What is that special number about, huh? What is 230 about? See, before writing an essay, what do? You think about, suppose any topic that I give you, you think about that topic. Then you decide what kind of essay can be written on that. You do a little research also on that topic. Say suppose, let's say the topic is coronavirus. Okay. Now I tell you to write an essay on it. So this will, you can't just sit and write. You need to do a little research. You need to gather, you need to collect a little points, important points on it. Then you have to give a little outline to your essay. Outline as in some important points around which you will write an essay. And finally, you write the essay. It is a little narrative style. You have to describe, it should be descriptive also in manner. Like you have to focus on the details, that what is going on, what you are writing. Suppose I say write an essay on a trip to your park. So how will you write? You will write it in a detailed manner. So today what we will do is, children, we will just choose a very easy, a very simple topic so that it becomes easy for you to write. Is that clear?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, what is the full form of essay?
Yes, ma'am.
No. It's not S and A. It's ESSAY. I will write in the chat box and you will see what it is. ESSAY, essay writing.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Coronavirus topic is very easy.
No, beta. You just can't call it easy because you have to do a little research on it.
Ma'am, ma'am, please tell
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Topic, now I'm thinking of a topic. Just wait.
Ma'am, how many words you have to write? Please tell us.
How many words you have to write?
Yes, ma'am.
You will have to write 250 words.
50 words.
250.
Ma'am, on which topic?
I am telling you the topic. First, write down the heading. Put today's date. Write the heading. Essay writing. I will tell you the topic.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay. The
Ma'am,
topic
please tell the
is.
topic again.
Yes, beta. I'm telling. Just wait. The topic is water is life.
What, ma'am?
Water is life.
Ma'am, please,
Okay.
ma'am, please tell the topic again.
I will type the topic in the chat box. Water is life.
Ma'am, please give some hint. Ma'am, we have to do research on the topic. Please tell the topic.
Do not do coronavirus till now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Like we can write about in the essay writing of water is life. We can write about uses of water, what we do with water. Ma'am, please tell us the starting line. Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the format of essay writing? Ma'am, can you tell the format of essay writing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
I
tell
am
the
saying what? Ma'am, can you please repeat the topic again?
The topic is water is life.
Ma'am,
Water
can
is life.
you tell-
Now, before writing the letter, all of you, first of all, learn to mute yourself. This class has a big problem of speaking non-stop. We are not going to just begin the letter like that. First, we will discuss our ideas with each other. Is that fine? For 5 minutes, let's just discuss what all can be written. Like Rashmit said, we can write the uses of water. Okay. Next, anyone has any idea to share? Raise your hand.
Bhavya,
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am,
Don't
ma'am,
say
the
I
purity
have.
of-
Raise your hand. Mute yourself and raise your hand. Arav Gupta. Beta, what can we write?
Ma'am, we can write the use of the water, and ma'am, the like we can write that water is important for us. If there
Yes,
is
we
no
can
water,
write, see, we can write uses of the water. We can write importance of water.
importance
Okay.
of the water.
Now mute yourself. Just, Bhavya, did I tell you to speak? Just Karan, say.
Ma'am, we can write how the water formed on earth.
How water,
Formed on earth.
where it is found on earth.
Found, no ma'am. Ma'am, I am
Just Karan, can you explain your point properly or can I move to somebody else now? Shall I move to?
Ma'am, I have sent the spelling in chat box.
How water is formed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you know how it is formed, you can write. Yes, who else? Varshita, what is your idea?
Ma'am, we can write that water is important for nature and nature is important for us.
Yes, you can also tell how, see, the previous point was the importance of water. Now, water is important for human beings as well as for the nature. Then after that, anything else? Bhavya, yes, do you have anything different to share?
Ma'am, there is the purity of water and to save the water.
Yes, we should conserve, we should save water. Before saving,
Ma'am, can I?
see now when we talk about saving water, we can include this part in the conclusion, in the end. Because water is so important, because water, we cannot survive without water. We must conserve water, we must save water, we must use it judiciously. Okay, this can be written in the conclusion, just in the end. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say one line
Yes,
about
just Reena say.
Ma'am, wastage of water must be avoided.
Very nice, very nice. We should avoid doing the wastage of water. That also can be written in the end, just the end of the letter, oh sorry, of the essay, to summarize it, to give it a good end. Anything else has any other point?
Ma'am, purity of water can be also.
Yes, you can talk about pure water, impure water. Before that, we can also talk about the benefits of water. We have spoken about the importance of water, right? We can also write about the benefits. It is good for skin, it is good for digestion, we have spoken about the uses, the importance. Now let's talk about the benefits. What are the benefits of water?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do we have to write?
One by one say.
Ma'am, we can write a line in which we can say,
Excuse me, ma'am.
if we have fever, so we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
The letter.
Ashray,
Ma'am,
can't you
can
see
I-
Rashmit is speaking? Or do I have to remind you?
Ma'am, we can write a line in which we can say that if we have fever, we should drink at least more and more
Yes,
water.
even if we don't have fever, we should drink. We should drink a lot of water on daily basis. Why? Because it is very beneficial for us. And then you can talk about the various benefits of water. Okay? Yes, just Karan.
Ma'am, do we have to write name on this?
Do we have to write what?
Name.
Whose name will you write?
Box by mistake.
Beta, in essay, you will write your name. Varshita, be quiet. Who is talking in between? Yes, just Karan.
Ma'am, I am saying, do we have to also write name or not? Ma'am, your mic is
Then
mute.
what we can write? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I read over one line?
Yes, read.
Ma'am, which letter
There
is
would
this?
be no life on earth as we know it.
No life on earth. You now see, if you want to
life
write,
on earth.
if you want to write any slogan that you can write in the beginning, you can choose a very good slogan, write it in the beginning about water. Okay, and then this is how you can begin writing your, you can start writing your
Ma'am,
letter.
Slogan can
Not
be
letter,
save
child.
water, save earth.
Save water. This is a slogan, save water.
Save water, save earth.
No, this is not a slogan for water. Choose a good slogan.
Ma'am, can I take one? Water save
Yes,
life.
yes. Okay, choose.
then life.
Beta, choose a good.
Save water, save
There is
life.
water, there is
I will
life.
not speak. You all only speak now. I will not speak.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Save
we
the
can
life.
write that water is important for us because it.
excuse me, ma'am. Water is important for life and animals and trees and earth.
Who said excuse me? Who was that child with good etiquettes and who knows how to talk in class?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, Kanav, yes, say.
Ma'am, what we can write including benefits of water?
What you can write in the benefits of water. The benefits is, see, if you drink too much water, it is good for your skin, it is good for your hair, it is good for your digestion, it is good
No,
for your
ma'am.
health. Yes.
Oh, ma'am, I'm saying that what we can write including benefits of water.
Beta, including benefits of, apart from benefits of water, you want to know? I can't understand your question. Ask me in Hindi.
Ma'am, can I say in Hindi?
Yes, say.
मैम हम बेनिफिट्स ऑफ वाटर के अलावा क्या लिख सकते हैं?
Okay, ke alawa, then you have to ask what can we write apart from benefits of water. Apart from benefits of water, you can write the uses of water, the importance of water, and in the end, you can end your essay by writing that we must save water. Okay, you can also include in your essay that where is water found on the earth. It is found in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc., etc. What you have learned a little in social studies, you can write here in this letter also. How much part of the earth is covered with water? 3/4.
I am writing an essay of coronavirus.
Why? Your topic, Athar Gupta, your topic is coronavirus? Did I tell you?
I am writing an essay on coronavirus.
Why are you writing? Are you not a part of this class? Everybody is writing the letter on water is life. Why are you writing on coronavirus? Who told you to write it on coronavirus? Start writing, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Earth is covered with 70% of water.
Yes, 72 or 73% of the earth is covered with water. And then you can tell how dependent we are on water, how dependent the plants and animals are on water.
Ma'am.
And your mic is mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, what is the word limit of essay?
250 to 300 words.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of human beings in beings?
What?
Ma'am, what is the spelling of human beings?
Human. What is the spelling of human? Human. Human. Beings.
Ma'am, can we write it 230 words, 240 words?
Can I tell someone?
Pranav, start writing instead of asking me these silly questions. Just start writing.
Ma'am, can we start writing?
Ma'am, can we write this slogan? Caring for is caring for us. Caring for water is caring for us.
What?
Ma'am, can we write this slogan? Caring for water is caring for us.
Yes, you can write.
Ma'am, what is the format to write essay? Ma'am, what is the format?
The format to write an essay is, in the beginning you give introduction. Like your introduction would be a slogan on water. Then comes the body of the essay. The main part wherein you will write about its importance, its benefits, its uses, where it is found. And then in the end, we come to the conclusion. The conclusion would include, like how Bhavya said, that we should save water. Jasrina said we should use it judiciously. Okay? We should conserve water. Like that.
Ma'am, please tell again.
Ma'am, can I tell my line?
Ma'am,
Please tell
please
again.
tell
again.
Please tell again.
Tell again.
tell again.
See, in the beginning, you will write the introduction, wherein you will start your letter with a good slogan. Then you will write the body of the essay. The body of the essay will include all important things. Then after the body of the essay comes the conclusion, the end, where you try to end your essay. Now you will try to justify your points. What you have written, you will say, so these are the reasons why we must use water very judiciously. We must save water. We must not waste water. Things like this. You will write in
Ma'am?
this. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the English meaning of pyas?
Pyas is thirst. When you feel thirsty,
Ma'am, I have done. Can I post on WhatsApp group?
yes, post.
Excuse.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the format of the letter?
Beta, I have told the format of the essay. Now I will not say it again and again. This is not a letter, this is an essay. Write introduction, then main body of the essay, and then conclusion in the end.
Ma'am, I have sent. Please check Shorty Daddy.
Okay, beta, give me some time, I'll check. If you want to know anything in between the translation or what we call anything, Do ask.
Ma'am, what we call kami in English? Ma'am, what do we call kami in English? Ma'am, your mic is on mute. Ma'am, I have done my essay. Can I read?
Wait, beta, wait. Send it on the group. I am reading it out. Sure, beta, you have written for daily survival. Instead, you can write for our survival. Not human body, you can write the human beings or living beings. Everybody, not only human beings, living beings also require water, not required.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of beans?
Beings.
Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of
Ma'am, what is spelling of without?
What is the spelling of with? Tell me the spelling
Without,
of.
ma'am.
No, you tell me the spelling of with first. What is the spelling of with? WITH is with. And what is the spelling of out? OUT, out. So that is without. Amoli, you have written very nice, very good, beta, but please don't put these points. Where is Amoli? Open your camera. Beta, remove these points, and an essay should be written in continuation. It should not be written point wise. Okay? It should be a big paragraph, and then when you write the paragraph for introduction, that can be one paragraph, then the main body, a long paragraph, and then the conclusion. You can then change the third para. Is that fine?
Ma'am, can you tell some benefits of drinking water?
No, beta, please write it, Yashmit.
Ma'am, there is any student, Aman?
Yes, he is from 4th A. 4th A, beta, you can leave right now. I'll make you join after this class. Children are doing their work.
Ma'am, my sister is waiting me.
All right, children, time to end the class. Move for your next class.
Ma'am, we sent on WhatsApp group late.